Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy files larger than 4 GB to a USB flash drive. Let's start. For example, I have one file on my desktop that is more 4 GB, and when I want to copy that file to my flash drive, I can't. First, make sure if you have data on your flash drive, back up from it, because we want to format the flash drive. Right-click on your flash drive. Then go to Format. Click on File System. After that, choose NTFS. Select Start. Click on OK. Select OK. Then click on Close. So let me try again. Great. As you can see, this problem has been fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know.